In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite a user in MailChimp step by step so you can add the right team member to your account quickly and safely. This is really useful if you work with a designer, a marketer, a VA, or anyone else who needs access to your campaigns without giving away more permissions than necessary. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Then sign in using your account credentials. Once you're inside the dashboard, look up to the upper right corner and click your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Billing. This is where MailChimp keeps your account level settings, billing options, and user access controls. Next, in the account settings area, click Settings. After that, choose Users. This will show you everyone who currently has access to your MailChimp account, along with their roles and permissions. Now, to add someone new, click Invite a User. Just keep in mind that this feature requires an upgraded plan, so if you don't see it available, you may need to move to a plan that supports additional users. When you click Invite, MailChimp opens the invitation form for adding a new team member. In the email field, type the address of the person you want to invite. Make sure the email is correct, because this is where MailChimp will send the invitation link. After that, choose the user role carefully. MailChimp gives you a few different permission levels, and each one controls what the person can do inside your account. Viewer is the most limited role. That person can view account information, but they can't make changes. Author can create and manage campaigns, but still has limited access to the rest of the account. Manager has more control and can manage campaigns, audiences, and most account features. Admin has full access, including billing and user management, so only choose this if the person truly needs full control. A good rule is to give the user only the access they need and nothing more. That keeps your account organized and more secure. If you want, you can also add an optional message. This is a short note that gives the recipient extra context, like why they're being invited or what they'll be helping with. It's optional, but it can make the invitation feel more personal and clear. Once everything looks correct, review the email address and the selected role one more time. Then click Send Invite. MailChimp will email the invitation to the new user, and they'll be able to accept it and join your account based on the permissions you selected. And that's it. You've successfully invited a user in MailChimp. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy MailChimp guides and other software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.